Here's how to delete Grok images history. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the imagine options of your Grok account or Grok application, and then afterwards you will be redirected on the page where you will see there all the favorite photos. Now click on the photo or the certain photo that you want to delete and then click on the delete options, and that is how you delete it. Now, to carefully ask or to carefully check if you have successfully deleted it, go to the settings of your Grok application, and then once you have already clicked on the settings, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the recently deleted. Now click on the recently deleted options. Once you have already clicked on the recently deleted options, what you need to do is to check if the image that you just deleted is there. Now as you can see, it is not there already. It means that it is permanently deleted to your Grok. And that is how you delete an image to your Grok application or a website, fast, easy, and smart.